That's a very good spot to start at. You can see that this is, first off, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is a product from Erica Stone, 30-day coaching called Q4 Cash Plan Coaching Course. Erica Stone has something like 65,000 affiliate sales on WordPress, so she knows exactly what she's doing. And this is more geared towards physical products, so Amazon kind of things. And obviously, a lot of this can be applied to digital products as well. And the part you're going to love is this is all about selling stuff in the holiday season. And again, this is going to teach you how to make money in December. It's going to make you money, the whole idea, the whole plan, the whole checkup over the next years. And I like to start at the finish. The finish is it's $77 for a month of coaching from Erica Stone. You can also do a deal where it's $31 a month times 3 months. You pay a bit more, but hopefully you're going to make some affiliate sales to offset that and pay for it. So let's take a look inside. Again, Erica Stone, and it's 30 days of coaching. So let's go inside and I'll show you a bit about what this is all about. You're going to love this. I'm going to screen past this, but basically there's some ChatGPT programs, boosting holiday sales, copy and paste WordPress templates. And as she says, publish more high quality content than you thought possible in the next 30 days and see your best fourth quarter affiliate results ever. So that's the promise. I'm going to screen past, she's got everything set up. I'm going to screen past this. I'll let you read this out too, but you can see I'm going to scroll all the way down to the week by week stuff, which is what I did in the podcast. So I'll try and make it a little bit quicker. 15 PDF lessons every other day. Starts on September 1st, so get going. That's a week away. And here we go. So let's just quickly look. Focus start. And there's 4 or 5 weeks of this. So here you go. Focus Finder, get clear on what you're doing. 5 new holiday post types. Custom GPT content tools, which create the posts. Build your master plan and a weekly checkup. So through this, you have the ability to email Erica. And here we go. Helpful content update fixes. AI affiliate toolkit. Here you go, 300 plus affiliate product list. These are hand-selected physical products to promote this holiday season with links, commission rates across 30 popular niches. Again, you're going to be able to use the concept behind this on digital products, but she's really focusing in on Christmas time is when people are buying things, real things, physical products. Amazon's the place. You're going to get commissioned. You're going to have be able to find in-demand, high demand products. And this is when people buy it, is during the Christmas season. Comparison posts, Custom GPT puts together those comparison posts. And let's go down here, audit your site, which is fixing structure, links, formatting, holiday layout tweaks, best of posts. These are high performing roundup posts with templates, prompts, and GPTs. Get your biggest publishing done. Weekly checkup again. Here you go, more templates. Affiliate tracker, custom posts, GPTs, copy and paste templates. Follow along, see how she's applied it to one of her own sites as she prepares for the fourth quarter. Weekly checkup. And here we go at the end. Finish strong. Track your progress. Last minute holiday posts. Mid-plan reset. You're still in September, so you're looking forward to your 60-day plan. Fine-tune the next 30 days. Get ready for a Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So you can see you're getting ready for the whole season. Final questions, weekly checkup, and the whole 9 yards. And I'm going to scroll down here and just show you this part. So here, she gives you the AI prompts, the chats and templates, 300 plus holiday affiliate guides. You can find new products yourself and support. Contact by email. She's answering herself within 48 hours. Again, $77. So you get all the bots, you get the starter pack, you get all of that's included. Nothing else to buy. And away you go. Here you go, $77 or $31 times 3 months. And away you go. I'm going to put the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can click the link and check out the Q4 Cash Plan Coaching Course. If you are not making enough money, if you want to do better, how about somebody who's got, I'm not on the right screen to be able to bring up her affiliate things, but like I say, 65,000 digital sales. And then she's doing these kind of physical product sales too. So it gives you an idea. This is an expert taking you by the hand for $31 over the next 3 months. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. You click the link in the description of the video. It'll take you to Q4 Cash Plan Coaching Course at my site from Erica Stone. Go check it out. and get some help.